Welcome to Tom Smith Chevrolet. We are a small-town dealership with big city pricing and a huge inventory. Are you in the market for a new SUV? The 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer AWD LT is the perfect blend of style, performance, and advanced technology for Ontario drivers. Powered by a turbocharged 1.3L ECOTEC engine paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. Its striking Marina Blue Metallic exterior, 17-inch high-gloss black wheels, and dual-pane panoramic sunroof make a bold impression, while the heated, power-adjustable mirrors and LED headlamps ensure all-weather readiness. Inside, enjoy the comfort of heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. Cutting-edge tech includes an 11-inch HD touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a suite of safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and rear cross-traffic alert. Find out more at tomsmithchevrolet.ca.